evening, everyone. I hope you all are doing well and everyone is staying safe at their home. So, welcome to the Kautilya. The Kautilya is an educational venture incepted by a group of well-reputed when they all realized that education nowadays needs to be valued and standards to be uplifted. Being inspired by the biggest ever teacher of the Indian history, the Kautilya. Our institute has come up following his ideas and ideologies. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. A step which was taken years back. A step towards academic excellence. A step that nurtured many lives. A step worth taking, the Kautilya. This journey started with a small step by Dr. Devatosh Acharya, chairman of the Kautilya. Please give me a movement to invite him today to the slide. Hello.
Hello, good evening to all.
Good evening, sir. Thank you so much for joining in today's live.
Most welcome.
Okay. So, sir, tell me something about the Kautilya and what it's all about.
Prior to Kautilya, my introduction is very important. Actually, I must speak about it because why Kautilya has been inserted. Okay, the thing is that I have been an academician. I have been into academics, into education or teaching itself since 20 years almost. Prior to that, I was into software actually. But it's since my childhood means I have a passion for music, painting, and teaching itself. And so it was a dream for me to have my own venture itself. What I found, the education, what I expect, okay, the standard of academics, what I thought of, for which I came to this profession, I couldn't find. So I have been into very big organizations. I was heading the Department of Computer Science in very renowned. There I thought when I came across the students itself during my teaching, very easy, whereas it is not that easy actually. Okay. The, they lack many things. The foundation of science to be an engineer or a doctor itself. What foundation of science and studies, the academics has to be very strong. I found the students quite struggling first year when they had basic mathematics. They had some papers of basic computer science or electrical and electronics, kind of all the papers. So that I thought of an organization, an educational venture, where really I can prepare children from the schools. Okay, so that using a career, they can get prepared relevantly.
Okay. So thank you so much for sharing this with us, sir. And what would you say? What is the mission of the Kautilya? Vision and mission of the Kautilya.
Exactly. I told you my intention, only intention. See, I only think never reach. So I have been seeing since 20 years people, they are more interested to make money than imparting knowledge or preparing the career of students itself. Okay. So my educate relevantly or properly the upcoming generation itself. To have, they should understand why it is somebody would be preparing for civil services, somebody is aspiring for ISER or NISER, many things are there. So
Yes.
uh, normally what I ask students, they say my father wanted me to be an engineer, so that's why I'm studying. Somebody says
Yeah, that
my me to pursue in science itself, so that's why I'm studying science. So I have an intention childhood itself, and my intention is diagnostic approach of teaching to diagnose the child's expertise. That's the reason. And my mission is we are very soon we are coming up with Kautilya Vedic School.
yeah.
Along with this academy, what I found that this generation is lacking moral and ethics. Okay, and they are lacking the values also. For which school? What is Veda? Veda is science itself. Okay,
Yeah.
life. So how to lead a good life, a healthy life. Okay, suppose somebody. So I need to understand my being a teacher to impart relevant knowledge to create a bridge between my brain to the student, where I can conduct my knowledge to create that conductance. Suppose somebody is a doctor, he or she has to realize what's the responsibility she or he is having.
Yes.
Field. Earning money, obviously, it is there. Money will follow you if you follow your service properly.
Yes.
So that's why Kautilya Vedic School we are coming up with, and it's a school where the lifestyle will be of Vedic. Means we are having our farming lands inside the campus. My students would be participating in farming. They will be staying with all the animals together, like domestic animals. Means we'll have some cows. Okay, we'll produce A2 milk. So to have also what the laboratories for embedded systems, for robotics, and technologically I want what I want to groom up my children. I want to make them stand much ahead rather than others itself technologically. And okay, so that's why our tagline is that we nurture, not just teach.
Okay. Okay. So many students say that Kautilya is transforming life. So, how's that done?
See, I must say, in last 2 years or 3 years, we have done miracles. Not we have given just results. Um, Many students in my first batch, in the first batch, actually, it was not easy to get admissions, because we were a new brand, and it was not that easy for the parents to trust on us. So that's why we got some poor students. Poor, I must not say that students were poor. They were having immense potential in them, but their what performance in standard 10th was not that good. Somebody was with 54%, somebody was with 62%. They came and took admissions. Means what? When some people, they couldn't get admission in good schools, so they had to opt Kautilya's. Some way they came. And you won't imagine, in our first examination, when our first batch of board examination, students who had come with 54%, they have scored 74%. Many students came up with 62%, 63%, they have scored 89%, 92%, 93%. So that's how. And a student who had 54% in standard 10th, now he is studying engineering in one of the topmost engineering college, where the cutoff is not below 90%. It has been consistent since years together, and now they are pursuing their engineering. Somebody is pursuing medical kind of thing.
Yeah.
So that's how
Okay,
we
so
have transformed lives.
that is really commendable, sir. And also, examination stress is something which all students face, especially when competing in exams like JEE or NEET, right? So, what advice would you like to give students dealing with this exam stress?
See, I would say students, they should not take examination as a burden or kind of thing. Okay, they should not take stress for that. Rather, I counsel my students. I talk to them as what is the examination? It is an event where you are writing what you know. Okay,
Yeah.
so somebody who studies meticulously. So when actually it's there's an approach to teach. It's not that easy. When I was of their age, it was not that easy for me to get chemistry, physics, mathematics, and all together, use contents. Okay. To accumulate together properly and to sit for an examination. So all these problems that I had faced, I have got the solutions in across the years I got into teaching. I have always analyzed all those. This was my problem, so I had overcome with such things. Then I should pass on to my students. So whether it is JEE or NEET or anything, somebody who is passionate for engineering, I think he or she must have passion for science and also studying preparing for some entrances. They should go through all the previous 10 years papers. They should take proper guidance of the students as the teachers, but should not take stress. Actually, it's very easy.
Definitely.
Somebody who is cracking today IIT, something 4 months before or 3 months before, while he was preparing, so he even didn't know that it was so easy. Now he or she thinks it was so easy. I cracked, I topped, I did something. So it is easy for them to crack it. Should not take stress. They should connect to their teachers. They should take the advice of their elders, and it's very easy to crack, I'm telling.
Yeah. Okay, thank you, sir. Now, choosing career after 10 seems a bit difficult, as many students are not much aware of the world. So, what advice would you like to give them?
I must say that what is a career? Something which you like to do is your career. Okay. Now, many things. It is not always engineering or medical or somebody has to be scientist. Okay, many professions are there. So Kautilya doesn't encourage or Kautilya doesn't misguide students. Okay, that if suppose you have taken admission into Kautilya, means you have to be an engineer or a doctor itself or scientist. You can be a musician. You can be sportsman or something. So whatever you like, you have that expertise in that field. So we would be preparing accordingly. So career means many things. Even if in RJ, in DJ, and many things have come up. Okay, so whatever you like, you choose, and you get good guides for that, and you just move on with. But obviously, you should have a basic standard education, and that is up to 12th. Somebody must have basic education up to 12th. Then your professional life starts. Okay, so till 12th, basic education would be there. Then after your professional life starts, you can take a decision of it. And even if also it's always advisable for all the students, I would suggest all, you should stay connected to your teachers, to your guides, and somebody who has succeeded in his or her life. You should talk to them. You should take them as your idols, and should follow accordingly.
Sure, sir. And now, how does Kautilya help students in JEE or NEET preparations? And what are the unique ways do teachers of Kautilya help students achieve their destiny?
I must say that Kautilya is an academician's Dane. Means it is not an organization of Devi Toshacharya. Rather, it is an organization of all the teachers that those are with me. And you won't imagine, I'm not a builder. I'm not a capitalist that I have invested money in some organization and I'm just sitting behind. So I myself is an academician. I have been into this profession since 20 years. And within these all years, what I have been doing, I'm finding all the issues of the students to fix. So that's how the best teachers from the very renowned institutions across India, I have chosen them, I have made friendship with them. And from many teachers from Kota, actually, during this pandemic, most of the teachers, they got back to their home city. Okay. So many good teachers, very good teachers, they have come back to Orissa, and I have contacted them. And this branch of Kautilya is since 2018, this Bhubaneswar branch of Kautilya, which actually where we are specializing for this, entrance preparation. So we have started this with all those teachers together. Okay, many people are from, somebody is from UP, somebody is from Rajasthan, also they have got back to Orissa. We are having the best set of teachers, means all the best teachers from best institutions. I should not use the names of those institutions across India. Actually, I have invited them. I have made friendship with them. Because of this pandemic, many of these teachers from Kota, Odia teachers from Kota, they have got back. Not only Odia, because many teachers from UP and Rajasthan, maybe from Karnataka, they were staying in Odisha itself, and somehow they have joined in Kota. They have got back to Bhubaneswar. So I have collected all the teachers together, and I have made a den of it. Okay, so adda jo bolte hain. So I can assure that probably Kautilya is having the best teachers, best set of teachers, okay, than any other institutions can have. So that's how we are helping them. Our process is that what we are doing now, we have the best set of materials with us that we are exclusively preparing. What other institutions do know, they order it to some XYZ. Many organizations are there. They are putting their orders and they are getting their logo imprinted on their papers and telling that this is our own material. But Kautilya's material is exclusively designed by its own teachers and experts. That is the best thing. And our method of teaching is diagnostic. Means what we are doing, we are finding the issues with the students itself. We are finding their problems itself, and accordingly we are resolving. Okay, so our classes are of 2.5 hours. In other institutions, they are having 1.5 hours. Okay, so our class hours are more, and I think the teachers are my darlings. They are the best teachers. They are just friends. They are not just teachers. Okay, and I hope if any of my students have joined, they can better explain about our teachers. Okay.
Sure. Now, the success of Kautilya is obviously immense. The students' reviews are also excellent. So, what does Kautilya? How is Kautilya different from other coaching institutions?
I must not say that we are different from other coaching institutions, a kind of thing. We are of our own unique kind. Okay, so
Definitely.
I don't compare with any organization. Kautilya is itself Kautilya. So others are doing good, and I appreciate them. I respect them all. But I don't think the ideology, the process, the teachers that Kautilya is having, any other institutions can have. So that's how we differ from other institutions, according to your question answering. But I never compare. Kautilya itself is Kautilya. हम जो हैं हम हैं, हमसे कोई बेहतर नहीं है.
Definitely, sir. Uh, so we have seen many festivals being celebrated with great enthusiasm, and the Kautilyan students also participate actively. What would you like to say on that?
So yeah, exactly. My intention is that to get my students stay connected to their roots, actually, their culture itself. So means if I respect my what motherland, if I respect my culture, then I would respect for their emotions. I give examples to my students like this. If you love your mother, if you want to be an engineer, don't be an engineer for yourself. Rather, you think you want to take them to abroad. You want to get them shopped in many big malls in abroad itself. दुबई लेके जाऊंगा, अमेरिका लेके जाऊंगा, वहां घुमाऊंगा पापा को, इसीलिए मुझे बनना है बस. So I always tell them मजा तो मतलब खुद के लिए नहीं है. If you do something for others, for your loved people, whom you love the most, like your parents only, your friend, your brother, your sister, and all these all. So sometimes what happens, no, if I know you and you are one of the most successful person, and you are my friend, I always take the credit to say that Siddhi is my friend, and she happens to be a celebrity. So I want to make them understand that others should think the same for you. Okay, and culturally, actually, to know about yourself, what you are, what is your root, it is very important. And I personally, being an Indian, I really feel very proud. All the cultural events, whether it is Holi, whether it is Deepavali, whether it is some Odia festivals also, we celebrate everything. Meticulously, we celebrate all the Odia festivals here. And the most distracting thing right now, the biggest challenge for the students is their mobile and TV itself. Okay,
Definitely.
see, I must say that mobile and TV, they give very important, very precious things also. But for students, this is not the right age to choose the best for them. Okay, what is right for them, what is good for them. So many things, objectionable things are there also on mobile they can find, and their interest at this age would be towards that. Obviously, it's because of the age itself. So to refrain them from mobile itself and TV itself, what we are doing, we are not allowing them anything. We are not keeping TV and mobiles, but we need to engage them. How we would engage them? We are engaging them in celebrating their own festivals and all. And somebody is good in singing, so he or she sings. You won't imagine a student Divyanshu, he has come. So he's a good singer. So he didn't have that passion for singing, but it was by when something he was singing just carelessly. After coming here, he has loved singing itself, because we guided properly that these are your issues. You should fix these all, and you should work on it, and you make your singing best. So along with his studies, what he's doing the rest of the time is preparing for his singing to escalate the standard and to upgrade it.
Yeah.
So that's how we are shaping up. We are finding the best things in the children itself, and we are engaging them for their entertainment in their own activities. And as soon the Kautilya Vedic School comes, we will be engaging them in farming, in many things. Will be engaging them.
Okay, that is really commendable, sir. Any message would you like to give to parents, and how do they support their students in their further
Yeah, exactly.
decisions?
This is really very much needed. So that's why Kautilya is conducting also art of parenting classes that we need to teach. We need to guide. I shouldn't say that we must teach them. We should guide them.
Yeah.
We should educate them, all the parents. Okay. See what happens. Now, suppose I'm 45 age. Okay. At this age, I would think that my son who is of 10 years age or something, 11 years, okay, he should think like me. It can never be. I should not impose my son of 11 years to think like me because I have come across all the experiences that I have taken up in my life. Understood? So this happens with the parents. Actually, parents, they want their children to think like them, to act like them, which is just next to impossible. It
Yeah.
shouldn't be also. बचपन बचपन
Yes.
होना चाहिए एंड वो जिस एज में होते हैं somebody is in 15 years of age, 16 years, this is their age to enjoy, and they have their own instincts. We cannot change them.
Yes.
If we expect a child to behave like a adult man of 45 years or 50 years, this is going to be abnormal, I must say that. So uh, parents are imposing their ideas, their willingness, their intentions, and what they want. They want to dictate them. I always say, don't judge your child. Never judge your child. Okay, rather you should guide them. You should monitor them. Okay, you should understand them. Instead of judging your child, you should understand your child. That is most important nowadays for the parents itself. And हर कोई माने एक वोट भाग्य लेके जन्मा नहीं है. Okay, and I must say one thing. See, अगर एक मोची के बारे में, if I think of a mochi, okay, the way a mochi can stitch a shoe, design a shoe, an engineer can never be.
Yes.
Okay,
Completely.
so he is at his best in his art form. Somebody is good in singing, somebody is, and nowadays everything has a big career. Everything has a big career. If the owner of Bata would have ever thought that I'm not going to be a cobbler, I'm not going to be a mochi, तो इतना बड़ा कंपनी तो आता नहीं फिर. Many shoe companies. Okay, so I think we must respect all the professions, all the art forms, everything, and the parents, they should understand their child's expertise, their his or her choice, and it's now big time for them not to impose their ideas, their interests, their intentions on their child. Rather, they should understand the interest of the child, the intention of the child, and accordingly they should nurture them properly.
Yes, definitely. So any message you would like to give to students for the careers or for the upcoming exams?
I must say that to all my students, I love you all, and the best thing is that you should not take stress. Okay, you should diagnose yourself. You should find yourself. What's best for you, what best in you also. Okay, that is what important, that makes you unique also. Clear? So you should get proper confidence in yourself that you can do. Yes, I can do. And that is the biggest thing which can make you happen anything out of the world even also you want. Okay, so that's how you should keep confidence on your potential, and you should respect elders. You should understand the moral values, and these all are going to help you. Okay.
Okay, sir. Also, while talking, you mentioned about the Kautilya is coming up with a Vedic school. Would you please like to tell us more about it?
Yeah, exactly. It's a Vedic school. Kotla Vedic School is a CBSE school, actually. It's a normal CBSE form school. And where the students will be taking students from standard 1 to 12th. Okay. And we would be preparing them from standard 5 onwards, because from standard 1 to standard what 5th, it's a basic education. They won't understand. From 6th onwards, not 5, from 6th onwards, we will be preparing them for the forthcoming examinations. So that's called what? Integrated education. So along with the normal academics, we'll be teaching, preparing them for their interest, where they are in. And it's a Vedic lifestyle. It's a modern Gurukul. They will be enjoying a life which we have lived. Okay, they
Okay.
haven't seen the charm of what getting into a paddy field, to stay connected to what cows and many things that we have lived. So what life I have lived, I want to give it them too. And it's not it's not my intention, or intention is not to get them back years. Okay, so my intention is that freshness of life to be what conglomerated with this modern technology. I want my children, because I myself is an engineer, I'm a technical man. So my field is computer science. My expertise is embedded systems and robotics that I have been working. It's a long time. And I want to make them that technologically that rich, along with the, what morally also that rich. To make what to make them morally rich, I want to get them back to my days. Okay, that life,
Okay.
staying connected to the roots. And I'll also give them the best technical education, best education in what they want. They have that their potential in.
Okay. Okay. And at last, is anything that is you would like to share to our viewers?
I must say one thing. I have forgotten one thing, that as I told you, I am a musician. I'm a painter. See, I'm continuing everything along with my studies also. Okay,
Yeah.
so you can find my songs on YouTube. You just type Devi Tosh. Okay, Devi Tosh Acharya. You can find my songs. I'm a professional music composer. I'm earning money out of it also, and I'm a painter. I have painted many calendars also. I have Ganesh series and Panchamukhi Hanuman kind of thing. Apart from that, Let's Join Hand to Hand is a very epic painting of Devi Tosh, and many things also. I am a gold medalist. Okay, in painting also. Sam means I have parallelly what conducted my lives. Okay, I haven't. I must say the parents that. Uh, some people, what they do, not during the examination time, they stop their music classes, their painting classes, and they always advise their children to focus on studies. No, it is absolutely wrong. Rather, they need their music, their painting, their extracurriculars, what they have best in, as the best refreshment that time. So
Definitely.
I must say that a person who is good in music, painting, sports, or everything, he or she will be that relevantly best in his studies. Okay,
Yeah.
so we should think this way: what is best in my child, or a student must think that what is best in me, I should work on it, I should prepare on it, I should make it a career.
Okay.
Don't go conventional. Don't never think conventionally. I have to be this, I have to be this, I have to that, my father wants, my mother wants, and all. Obviously you respect your father and mother, but you need to counsel them, you need to talk to them. If they don't understand, then you share their numbers to me, I'll talk to them all.
Okay. That's really great, sir. Okay. So the ideas behind the Kautilya, the ideas and ideologies, and your ideas are really commendable. And
Thank
obviously,
you.
they are transforming many lives, surely.
Thank you. Thank
So
you.
thank
Thank you.
you so much for today's live session, sir,
Thank you,
and
Siddhi.
joining in with us.
Okay. God bless
Thank you,
you.
sir.
Okay.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Bye bye.
Bye.